Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So if you love bagels, well then today's your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to make some very simple, delicious bagels. If you want to see how I make them, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. You know, a friend of mine told me that she never thought about making bagels because it just looks so hard, but I'm going to show you guys that it only takes a few ingredients. So in a large bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, and you're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of sea salt, and because this is going to be a protein everything bagel, 2 cups of non-fat Greek yogurt. And these are all the ingredients that you need, and all you have to do is just grab a spatula and begin mixing all the ingredients together, and this is going to make the dough for the bagels. And at this point I'm going to take my hands, my clean hands, and continue to knead the dough. And so right now I'm just going to take the dough out of the bowl and I'm going to put it on a flat surface. And as an added note, the consistency of your dough shouldn't be too sticky. So if you have to add some extra flour to the dough, as I'm doing right now, then absolutely do so. Now when I'm done kneading the dough, I'm going to roll it into a log. Now as I was rolling the dough, it still felt a little sticky, so I added a little bit more flour, which helped because now I was able to cut between 6 to 7 parts. So now you're going to take each part and roll it into a rope. And then you're going to pinch each ends together, making sure that they don't come apart, and it's going to form the shape of the bagel. Now my bagels are done, and it was really simple, and at this point I'm going to scramble 1 egg and I'm going to brush each bagel with the egg wash. Now here comes the fun part. I have some everything bagel mix, and I'm going to sprinkle each bagel with this mix, but at this point you guys, you can put whatever topping you want. I mean, you can sprinkle some shredded cheddar cheese, some jalapenos, some sesame seeds. Really you guys, the sky is the limit. And that's it. They look so good. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 375, and they're going to bake for 25 minutes. Okay, you have some fresh everything bagels straight out of the oven. I mean, don't they look like you just bought these from the bakery down the street? Because if you think the outside looks good, let me cut it open so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. Now take a look on the inside, you guys. I mean, we only used around 3 or 4 different ingredients, and it makes the perfect bagel. And you know what? Adding that Greek yogurt in the mix really helps the dough to stay nice and soft, and it also injects a lot of protein to your diet. This everything bagel is the perfect breakfast to start your day. And we are done, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, subscribe to my new channel, Time with April, here on YouTube, and if you give this recipe a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.